Into that drive-through Starbucks right there. Gotta have my coffee. The walk-up window is not even anybody there. But they're gonna stand here and wait for the drive-through. Here comes another one. They wait in line. I'm gonna get my coffee. That pickup truck that's right there, he's been there for about 5-10 minutes. Glad I don't drink coffee.
Which sack of oatmeal is going to outdo Trump? Oh, I know. He insulted Carly Fiorina, right? So it all craters down. We're all breaks into pieces. Everyone to take advantage of this great opportunity because rates may never be lower. So if you want to save real money, we'll trade your rate and give you up to $1,000 without you paying a penny. Alexander Cohen and Associates will take immediate action for you. Call them now at 888-20-CLAIM for a free consultation. That's 888-20-CLAIM. 888-212-5246. Running your AC this summer is breaking the bank. Meanwhile, the power company keeps jacking up your rates. Ready for solar yet? Better hurry, the federal tax credit goes away soon. The California state solar rebate is already gone. Your power...
That's cheating with the back turning trailer. Real truck drivers don't need that. I hate to say this, but with the turning trailer tire like that, and that guy staring back here, you should have been able to get that in one shot.
To hit the open market. You think. Now, again,
here's another Californian trailer out in the fast lane where he doesn't belong, running about 70 miles an hour.
Make sure you answer those questions. But
California, you're not supposed to be out there. Trucks and tractor trailers, 3-axle and more, and vehicles hauling trailers are not allowed in the pass lane. They're restricted to the right 2 lanes.
And that's a lot of times
Come on, bus.
more important than good sense. We hear a lot about a culture of safety.
Oh, look at this fool.
I think that to that end, the cars that are
going straight from a right turn only.
We need to be
So many idiots.
culture of safety. But let's face it, they're machines.
Now here I am at another interchange. This is a right turn only for both these 2 lanes, and I have this guy on the right side of me who's probably going to veer out to the left lane.
Because I would totally want to sleep there. I would not want to go back into the house. You know what the thing is? Did you notice the house behind the treehouse? That's more of an eyesore than the treehouses. I mean, it's not the worst house in the world, but...
See, that's why, right there, man. She's gonna wave at me. Yeah, I'm not pulling out for you because you don't know what a damn stop sign is. Blowing right through a red light. Idiot.
Daniel Craig's of containers and
Listen, I'm going to tell you something. No, we shouldn't. Let me tell you something. First of all, if you're involved in Christian rock, that's pretty gay. I've listened to Christian rock. I ain't wrong.
we got some to sample, but I just want to tell you the right every day.
really got three fast lanes we got around. That's a smart thing. Oh! Oh!
Wake up, wake up.
He's wiped out. What an idiot. Talk about title. Figure they can drive down the shoulder all they want. Well, I have a Mercedes. I can drive down the shoulder. Stay in your own freaking lane. What's this idiot driving down the shoulder? What a moron. Wait for the arrow there, Docus. And this fucking fool. Sometimes the poker just makes it easier, but when you're typing, the poker kind of is a pain for them. Oh, okay, well then you can use the one you got. Oh, rear end. Oh, man. So you got to pay attention to what's in front of you, buddy. Luckily, it was just a tap. You know, I'm the one talking. Something you don't see every day. Jet fuel. Yes, right away, ladies. Don't get hurt where you look. No stop sign coming. Oh shit. Where the fuck are you coming from? There was nobody in the left turn lane there.
What was that about?
Because I was sneaking up on him because he doesn't know how to step on the gas. Fucking guy just hit his head once. Look my direction, period.
Is that the car in front of us?
No, there's a Mustang in front of him. Thing right here. Where's he from? Michigan. Crossing over the line illegally. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but there's some more in front crossing over illegally. Why is this truck riding up? He's going to cross over the line illegally too.
About it, that I even know about Magic Johnson's kid. But I don't know.
Taser driver, not supposed to be in the hammer lane.
At least was originally on the Rich Kids of Beverly Hills.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't know that. I'm a late comer.
And so now they have a show of their own?
There's so many good gay and transgender shows now.
Trucks and tractor trailers. Trucks and tractor trailers, 3 axle and more, not supposed to be out in the hammer lane.
And there's a new one for transgender. And this transgender started feeding country and bluegrass. And a big came 3
So I have a white truck and a black Lexus SUV that were going to get behind me and then changed their mind last minute and got over there. So what they're going to do is they're going to speed up and cut in front. And there goes a Mustang to do it too. Stupid idiots. Just for that. You stopped on the freeway exit. Stupid. I thought she was broke down, but no, she's gonna stop on the freaking on-ramp. Arizona. Go back to freaking Arizona. Check this out, listen to this.
Here's another kid with destiny when he gets a Zen Meteor. Getting this Zen Meteor is better than sex to these kids.
Please.
Of course, they're too young to know what sex is.
Please. It's a secondary.
We're not going to get Zen Meteor.
You're gonna get an infection.
Somebody's killing me.
Jesus Christ. How's he playing the game?
You would like to piece his nose?
Fucking maniac. There's all for that kid. I gotta tell you, I signed I'm a huge 5-year deal. I didn't get that excited. I should have been sounding like that.
Police officer over to his house.
Thank you.
They should go send a police officer over to his house and check him out, man. He sounded like he was being gutted with a butter knife.